Athlete of the Year committee. And we are here today to actually present Carlos Yulo with a token amount as our congratulations for the feat. And even before he got his gold medal.
Yes. Yeah, I suggest if you get in the picture, you come through. Organize it so that they're all in there. Maybe you come forward a little bit.
Yung Secretary General, sinabi ko, yung mga masyadong hihilig ng family, pwede ba sila dito? Sabi, sige na, tignan ko. Ito ang family sa kalon, ang katang family. Yung nalabas lang sa kalon,
like other Olympic champions, I have my struggles and challenges. And hardships that I almost gave up. Fortunately, I belong to a village under the strong leadership of a woman, Miss Cynthia Leganaya Carrier. Thank you so much. She's an icon, a hero, a mother sa akin po. The President of the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines, I am sure that some of you, business owners and corporate leaders that are present here today, must have received solicitation letters from Mr. in the past, seeking financial support from your athletes. And of course, one of them is me po. She never got tired of asking for support from her friends, which most of the time, she got refused because they didn't believe that Filipinos would excel in gymnastics. For those of you that extended support in the past, thank you so much po. You're part of my success story. I am hoping you will continue to help my federation to enable it to discover more Carlos Yulo and produce more world champions and Olympic medalists. God willing, and with your support, you will be seeing me again in action together with my teammates at the 2028 LA Olympics. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ingat po tayo and God bless us all. Thank you po.
And this is our 55th.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay, so now we're going to adjourn the meeting.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Okay.
One more!